Microplastics have been found in human testicle, which could be one of the reasons behind low sperm count around the world. A recent study has raised concerns about the widespread presence of microplastics and nanoplastics, revealing their existence in human testicles at levels 3 times higher than in animal testicles and human placentas. These tiny plastic particles, often invisible to the naked eye, can infiltrate cells and tissues, potentially disrupting crucial bodily functions and introducing harmful chemicals like bisphenols and phthalates. These endocrine disruptors are known to interfere with the reproductive system, contributing to declining sperm counts observed globally over the past half-century. This study, which examined preserved human testes, found polyethylene and PVC to be the most common types of plastic polymers present. Surprisingly, younger men between 20 and 45 years old had higher levels of microplastics than older men, suggesting that the body might be able to eliminate these particles over time. However, the increased energy demands of younger testicles might also contribute to the accumulation of microplastics. The presence of microplastics in human testicles raises concerns about their potential impact on male fertility and overall health. Researchers emphasize the urgency for further studies to confirm or deny the role of microplastics in infertility, testicular cancer, and other health issues. The rapid increase in plastic exposure necessitates immediate action to mitigate potential risks. Scientists converted waste plastics to jet fuel in just 1 hour. They developed an innovative way to turn plastics to ingredients for jet fuel and other valuable products, making it easier and more cost-effective to reuse plastics. The researchers were able to convert 90% of plastic to jet fuel and other valuable hydrocarbon products within an hour at moderate temperatures. In recent decades, the accumulation of waste plastics led to polluting oceans and clean environments around the world. As they degrade, tiny pieces of microplastics enter the food chain and become a danger to human health. Microplastics were found in fish, human bodies, and placenta. The most common mechanical recycling method is to melt the plastic and remold it, but this method lowers the economic value and quality that can be used in other products. Chemical recycling can produce higher quality products, but requires high reaction temperatures and a long processing time. In this study, researchers developed a catalytic process to efficiently convert polyethylene to jet fuel and high-value lubricants. Polyethylene, also known as number 1 plastic, is the most commonly used plastic. It is used in a huge variety of products, from plastics bags, plastic milk jugs, and shampoo bottles to corrosion-resistant piping. Researchers were able to convert about 90% of the plastic to jet fuel components or other hydrocarbon products within an hour at a temperature of 220 degrees Celsius. It is more efficient and requires temperatures lower than what would be typically used. The application of this efficient process may provide an approach for producing high-value products from waste polyethylene. A new study found that microplastics can escape the gut and enter the brain, causing serious health issues. Microplastics, tiny plastic particles found in everything from food to the air, pose a growing concern for human health. These particles, which we unknowingly consume regularly, can contain disruptive chemicals and harmful toxins. Recent research reveals a disturbing truth. Microplastics don't simply stay in our digestive system. Scientists demonstrated that microplastics can spread far beyond the gut. In mice exposed to microplastics, at levels comparable to human exposure, these plastic particles were found in the liver, kidneys, and even the brain within just 4 weeks. This infiltration suggests microplastics can cross the intestinal barrier and impact various body tissues, potentially with long-term consequences. Scientists also observed changes in the metabolism of affected organs, raising further alarm. Considering humans are exposed to microplastics throughout their lifetimes, the potential health effects are significant. Researchers are now investigating whether diet plays a role in how widely microplastics spread in our bodies. They'll examine if factors like high-fat or high-fiber diets influence the body's uptake of these harmful particles. Microplastics pollute our oceans on a massive scale, with estimates suggesting they contain a staggering 50 trillion to 75 trillion pieces, including larger plastic debris.